Mac Studio. Alright, I think our delivery for Mac Studio has arrived. Let's check it out. Okay, I'm so excited. Here we go. Super hype right now. Let's see. Okay, wait. Okay. Come on, Mac Studio. Okay, that is fine. Huawei MateView. Alright. Right there. Okay. Wow. This is a humongous box. As you can tell, I already have a camera set up here. We are gonna do an unboxing of this matte monitor today. Let's do it. Alright guys, so right now we're gonna unbox the MateView Huawei monitor. This is insane. The box is super big. Yeah, let's just get right into it. Okay, as you can see, the box is like huge. I'm gonna try my best to show you guys all of this. Okay, so do bear with me. Okay, this box is insanely big. I'm gonna do two separate videos. One unboxing this, give you my initial impressions, and then I'm actually gonna set it up and then use it for a bit and then tell you guys how I feel about the monitor. Obviously this is my first time buying such a huge monitor, so I honestly have no idea how to open this. Alright, here we go. Oh my god. This is actually insane. My goodness. Oh my god. Okay, there we go. Whew. Okay. Let me flip it around. Oh my goodness. This box is insanely big. There is no way I can unbox this in my room. God damn. Okay, anyways, it's just the paper of the purchase. Oh my god. The sound. I'm so sorry guys. Okay, here we go. Alright, first thing you get in the box is this. What is this? Alright, we got some cables here. What do we have? You got your manual. That you can toss it. Don't really need it, I think. I don't know. Okay, you got your USB. Okay, no, this is HDMI to mini display port, I think. So yeah, you guys can see for yourself. Hopefully you guys can see it. Okay, and then we also have, yeah, mini display port. Sorry, mini display port to display port. Yeah, right here. And then we have, oh, okay, I'm pretty sure this is the power outlet. I'm gonna touch that first. And what is this? I'm pretty sure this is the HDMI cable maybe? Oh no, so this is the USB-C to USB-C cable. I'll untangle them later, don't worry. But let's just see what we have in the box first. Then we got this huge chunky cable. To be honest, it actually doesn't feel that big. Like compared to my Asus gaming laptop, this power brick does not feel big at all. So that's why I'm glad. Okay, enough waffling. Let's check it out. Okay, I'm gonna peel the plastic on my mic so you guys can hear it. Okay, let's try. Let's just start peeling from. Alright, there we go. Ooh. Okay, I messed it up. I'm so sorry. Alright, still somewhat satisfying, okay? Yeah, so this is the power cable. So it does power on via USB-C. So that's nice. Alright, we can throw all this out of the way. Okay, I think this is the monitor itself. By the way, the reason why I bought this monitor is because it looks a lot like the Pro Display XDR and the Studio monitor that Apple has. But the one that Apple has is only 27 inches. This one is 28.2 inches. Okay, there's a styrofoam box inside. Now, attempt to take it out. Oh my goodness. This is crazy huge. Okay, I think I have to stand for this. Oh my god. Ah, god damn. Okay, so this is the monitor itself already. Okay. Oh my god. Alright. Okay. God damn. Okay. My god. Alright. Oh my goodness. Jesus. Alright. Okay. Wow. This is crazy. Look at the styrofoam box. Right here. Okay, so oh my god, I'm so sorry for your ears if you're wearing earpiece or headphones or even listening this through your speakers. Oh god. Okay. So this is the monitor itself. I'm gonna bring it closer for you guys. Okay, I'm gonna take this out. Okay, so we'll leave it off like this. Ooh, okay, look at that. That looks pretty sick. Okay, I'm gonna flip it over. I believe it's like that. Okay, look at that. Look at that, looks pretty good. Okay, here we go. Time for another ASMR. Okay, here we go. Ooh, look at that, boys. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna show you how thin it is later. But yeah, it's crazy thin. Okay. Gonna peel out the back portion as well. Okay, you know what? Give me a minute. I'll bring my camera and show it to you in person. Alright, I got my iPhone here. I'm just gonna do a bit of recording right now. Okay, I think I fluffed it up. Oh, okay, you can peel from here. Gotcha. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna do this behind the scenes because this is taking a while to do. And yeah, you're gonna see me struggle to take this out if I do this one-handed. So I'm gonna pause this video right here and carry on right here. Okay, everything's out. Cool. Should we peel the plastic as well? By the way, this is very nicely made. I just want to say. You got plastic here to unwrap the stainless steel. Looks so good. Okay, unfortunately, I won't be able to show you guys how it looks like. Okay, you know what? I'm going to try my best to do so. This is a one-man camera. So, I'm going to peel it using one hand. Alright. And another one. There we go. Alright. So this is what the monitor looks like in front of me. So you guys can take a look for yourself. This is the front and over there is the back. Alright, so that is all for the unboxing. I'll probably post a separate video of me just setting everything up because I think this is taking a bit too long. But yeah, overall, I'm gonna flip it back to the front again. It looks very nice. It is a matte display and the back looks absolutely gorgeous. Oh, as you can see right here, looks beautiful. Both the front and the back looks beautiful. Okay, this is gonna be the end of my first part of unboxing this crazy monitor. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, leave a like, turn on the bell notification. I'll be posting the setting up straight after this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Click the next video to watch my initial setup. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.